Hello, welcome to HTML class. Today we are going to learn HTML list element. This video will focus on unordered list. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand how to make HTML unordered list. This is by default. Unordered list with a circle, unordered list with square and without bullets. And we shall also cover how we can make navigation menu bar with HTML element. We shall use some CSS to style our navigation bar so that you can be able to understand or to have a heavy knowledge of making this very well. I know you are perfect since you can sit and invest your time in learning and perform, and at the end you achieve something. So let's just jump in. We start. We first go on our coding editor. Let's create index.html. We are going to use boilerplate. We type this, then we hit this. Let's just say HTML lists. Then we come here in body. Normally, HTML list is used to group related items together. Let's give it a head, then we call it HTML list element. Let's browse here. This is it. As you know, I like to style a bit. I just wanted to make this quicker. We target our body, yes, and we just give it font, which this one. I always want to make my thing just to be clear, and I want to, let me just use margin of 50 pixels. I always want my thing to be clean, and I always want to enjoy my learning. So what's next? Unordered list. We use UL tag. We hit the tab. Then inside here, that's when we type li tag, which is list. This is the one. Then, but before, maybe we say paragraph first, and unordered list. That's by default. That's how it is. And just let's type, like, we give it name of milk to save time. Let's just do this. Copy 3 times. We change this to eggs. Then we maybe type flour. Then we come here. That is it. The unordered list just by default. Then the second one is ordered list. Let me just copy this. Just copy this to save time. with circle. With a circle, we're going to use UL, then LI, this is, then we can also use the same, milk is fine. Sorry if you don't drink milk, but it's okay. Then what we're going to do here in UL tag, we're going to style it. Then we type list style, then type. That's when we type circle. You can see that if this bullet doesn't look like this, these are black, this is somehow, let's just say, like transparent. Again, want to save time, I can just do this since they're the same, and we want this video to be at least today short. This is it, and order list with circle. Then the next, we are going to say to see how we can make an ordered list with square. Yeah, with a square. This is a mistake. Yes, with a square. Again, we open this, we type LI, then here also we style it and say lists type, then we use square. I do everything. I just want to today quickly because I want to make long video. I don't want to delay you guys. Just want you to know the things as quick as possible, which is very nice. This is it. That is square. This is how you see this bullet here. I don't know if you're seeing it very well. I can zoom it here so that you can also see very well. Then the last one is without. It is without bullets. Without. I'm just say yes. Bullets. Easy. Type URL. Style. Lists. Type. We use none. Li. Milk. Again. Maybe orange. And Li again. Maybe blue, just as a color. My intention is just to show that how you can make it. This is it. You can see here that by default, that's how it does. It shows, even though you may not add any other thing. That's how it looks. Again, circle. This is it. Square. This is it. Then this. So the last one. We always learn by building projects. The last one, it is this one. This is the one we are going to make. Yes, and zoom bits. Yes, this one. And let me just close this. Then we come back on this. This is it. Yep. So what I did here, we just come here and just want to anyway. Is okay. This is Alt Z, I think. Yep. Then what are we going to do here? We are going to build our navigation bar very quickly. How we're going to make it? We're just going to type, oops, this is it here. You can see if I delete this URL, you can see it. Then you just type this one, and what I'm gonna do here, just to type li. Then since this, as you have seen, so as you have seen here, this is the links. So what we're gonna do, we are going inside here. We need to type the link. Then let's just put here. We use hashtag. Then here we type home. Just home. We can just, to save time, let's just copy this, paste. Then let's say about, let's say contacts, and then maybe services. That's it. Then what's next? The next, we are going to add a little bit of CSS here. I just want to copy this one. The first one always want my make the things to look better, because I always enjoy when I'm coding or learning something, just like coding. Then I'm going to style this with targeting URL. We're targeting this now. We are saying URL, and we're going to first of all to remove these dots or bullets, then say lists, style type. There's one, then it say none. You can see it has changed it to numbers, but anyway, it's okay. Let's just give it some little margin, because it's going to be there in it's going to be online, so we don't want it to get to move out or somehow disorganized. It'll be inside there. And also give it padding of also 0. You have seen that the other thing has disappeared. Then we say overflow, which is hidden. Then the last, the one, let's just give it a background. For some, they say blue color, which is the 40, 60, then 93. Yes, 40, 60, 93. Then we move to li. Let's just give this. Want to make it, to take it on side, we will say left, though it's not seen well, but you can see it here. I think everybody can see it here. It doesn't, like this. Then we rush to li, we target li tag, we say display block color. This one say color is going to be let's use it for white, and text line center, and let's just say padding, or padding, say 16 pixels. Then the last one, we say text decoration, say none. To remove the lines here, you can see that our lines have disappeared. So here now you can see this is it, but we want to finalize it by hover it, so that whenever you hover the cursor around it, at least it has changes color to show that you are in this location, you are here. So we're saying LI and link or ink tag. Then we say, oops, sorry. Then we type hover. Yes, and say background color. It is, let's use a bit of 4C or 8 CE, or what's maybe 4. Yes, that's it. Yeah, that is friend. That is it, friends. Now you see that is our goal. Actually, this is the project we have built. That's how you can make your navigation bar. You can, but this is not how it is supposed to be. But at least we have made it, and you can even as we continue learning, we shall make the beautiful ones. We shall know how to make each and everything responsively in to design in where we'll be able to design everything as you wanted it to look, as you wanted it to be on your project, your website, or your client website very well. Thank you very much, guys. So see you. If you find it useful, please subscribe and like. Thank you very much. See you.